When it comes to redecorating a room, we might overlook a key feature, the lighting. Well, in this project, I'm going to show you how to DIY this beautiful industrial light fixture. And go from this to something unique that stands out, and DIYing it is more affordable. So let's get started as I show you how to DIY this industrial light fixture. First, you'll need a pine post. I'm using this offcut pine timber from Col Timbers. That is what the lights will wrap around, and I have to create a ceiling box too. But let's turn our attention to the feature of our light fixture. I'm sanding all the edges and surfaces of this pine post so it is smooth. Then I have stained it in a medium wood stain. And now I'm going to turn my attention to the cover box, the box that fits on the ceiling. I want this box to be as light as possible, so I'm using pine cover strips as well as masonite board. I'm just gluing the cover strips to the sides and the edges of the masonite board using clamps to hold in position. Then I will hammer in panel pins just to make sure it's extra secure. I gave it a light sanding, and now we can get to painting our box. I want the box to look modern, almost like a metal finish, so I'm using a black spray paint. I apply 2 coats, allowing for drying time between coats. At this stage in the project, we can also spray paint the hardware black. That is the 2 chains that are used to hold up the wood to the ceiling hooks that go on the ceiling. I've decided to spray white so they're not an eyesore, and then the other 2 ceiling hooks that connect to the wooden post, I will spray those black. If your chain doesn't quite hook onto the hooks, you can always use key rings and spray those black. All my DIY light fixture elements look ready. I also went to my local electrical store and I got all the goodies that I need to make this light fixture, and I will list them all on screen. I really can't wait to get this installed. Make sure you call a professional electrician. That's right, I'm a DIYer, I'm not an electrician, so I need help with this installation part. And it was great fun working as a team. We spaced out the lights on my ceiling box. I took with spray paint just to make sure everything's black, what I wanted black, as well as connecting the hooks to the project and the hooks to the ceiling. I had the idea of using scrap wood to mount the ceiling box to the ceiling. And the electrician got to all the wiring. Soon it was time to put everything together and see how it looks. Everything worked out just as I'd planned, and I was so excited seeing the project finally come together. High five for this DIY! I spaced out the lights, making sure that they're equal, making sure that I like the way the light fixture flows, and I absolutely love it. This has saved me quite a bit of money, as well as it was a lot of fun. If you found this DIY project inspiring, remember to follow us for more DIYs like this one. Keep smiling and DIYing.